My name is Matthew Wash. I'm from Sarauli.
Yeah.
Ex-football player for the Sarauli Sports Club. And the match today I feel was evenly contested, well disciplined as well. The boys played a good game. It should be this way. But I have a message for the village clubs of Sarauli. Sarauli plus all the clubs of Goa. Please continue the inter-village tournaments so we can keep the football alive in Goa. So the youths of Goa can showcase their talents rather than falling prey to all the other activities. Thank you.